Hey, Craig Zuckerman here with your quick tip of the day, and it's about a repetitive stress. Now, repetitive stresses are things we do on a daily basis, a repetitive motion or held posture, and they are the number one causes of pain in the body. So let me give you a tip on one that you need to cut out to prevent lower back pain and sciatica and hip pain, and that is standing with your weight in one leg. When you stand with your weight in one leg, it stretches or works the muscles in the glute on one side of your body, and the other side of the body tends to tense up in this hip flexor muscle, low back muscle, to try and stabilize you and keep you from falling over. If you're always standing the same leg day in and day out, this can offset your hips, creating sciatica, hip pain, lower back pain, even herniations. So, stand on both feet as much as possible. If you do feel like you need to move around, that's great, as long as you're shifting from side to side. It's when you're always standing in the same leg that this becomes a repetitive stress on the body. And let me tell you, check it out. Start checking in with yourself throughout the day. I'll bet you money, most of the time you'll be putting your weight in one leg. Stop it. That'll prevent a lot of lower back and hip injuries, and I'm Craig Zuckerman with your quick tip of the day.